Ever wished you could build a full web or mobile app without writing a single line of code? Imagine transforming your ideas into fully functional, production-ready applications in just minutes, complete with backend, database, authentication, APIs, and deployment included. Today, I'm thrilled to show you exactly how to make that happen using Rocket.new, a revolutionary vibe solutioning platform designed specifically for developers, designers, and indie hackers who crave real results, not just flashy prototypes. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the complexity of app development? Do you find traditional coding daunting, or perhaps you simply don't have the time to learn? You're not alone. Many aspiring creators struggle to transform their ideas into tangible products due to the steep learning curve and the technical skills required. But what if I told you that with Rocket.new, you can skip all that complexity? In this video, I'll guide you through the key features, integrations, and the entire process of shipping a real app that you can test instantly. By the end, you'll see how easy it is to bring your app idea to life, step by step. So stick around to learn how you can launch your app idea with ease and confidence. So what is Rocket.new? In simple terms, it's a powerful one-prompt app engine that takes your idea, whether it's a prompt, a Figma design, a template, or even a screenshot, and instantly turns it into a full-stack, production-ready app. It's designed to eliminate the barriers that often impede creativity and innovation. Here's what you can expect. Pixel-perfect front-end. You can choose from frameworks like React, Next.js, or Flutter for mobile. This flexibility allows you to create visually stunning applications that look great on any device, ensuring a seamless user experience. Automated backend. This includes database setup, user authentication, and API integrations without any coding involved. Imagine being able to set up a robust database and user management system in just a few clicks, without needing to write a single line of SQL or backend code. Real mobile apps. You can download APKs to test your mobile applications directly on your device. This means you can verify functionality and user experience in real-world scenarios without waiting for lengthy deployment processes. Full code ownership. You have the freedom to deploy your app anywhere. Whether you want to host it on your own server or use a cloud platform, the choice is yours. This level of ownership is crucial for developers who want to maintain control over their projects. Forget about staging, endless scaffolding, or tedious handoffs. With Rocket, you simply describe what you want, and it delivers exactly that. Today, I'll be building a motivation quotes app as a practical example. This app will feature user authentication, AI-generated quotes, premium subscriptions, SMS verification, and live testing on mobile. We'll explore how each of these features is integrated seamlessly into the application. Let's dive into the setup process and see how intuitive Rocket really is. First things first, we need to start a new project in Rocket.new. The onboarding process is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to get you up and running in no time. Once logged in, you'll find an option to create a new project right on the dashboard. One of the standout features of Rocket is its capability to import from Figma seamlessly. This means that I can upload a Figma design for our app, and Rocket will automatically convert the layout, components, and hierarchy into fully functional code. As you'll see, Rocket preserves every detail of your design, from spacing and colors to fonts and component placements. It's all framework ready, which is a huge time saver. When you import your Figma design, you'll notice that it retains the precision of your original design, ensuring that what you envisioned is what your users will experience. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. With Rocket's live preview feature, we can edit everything visually in real time. You can make adjustments, see the effects immediately, and iterate quickly without switching back and forth between different tools. After the design import, we'll need to set up the app's backend. Rocket integrates with Supabase for database management and user authentication, allowing us to set up user accounts so that individuals can sign up, log in, and even save their favorite quotes. All of this is configured automatically, requiring zero backend coding from our end. This is a game changer for anyone who might feel intimidated by backend development, as Rocket handles all the complexities for you. Now let's explore the real power of Rocket.new. This platform isn't just a builder, it's a complete full-stack automation engine. For our Motivation Quotes app, we'll be connecting multiple integrations. Supabase for authentication, Twilio for SMS verification, Stripe for managing premium subscriptions, and OpenAI to generate those motivational quotes. Here's the magic of Rocket. It allows you to use commands. Instead of manually coding each integration, I can simply type commands like /add Stripe payment or /add text messages, SMS, right in the app chat, and Rocket will handle the rest automatically. This feature dramatically speeds up the development process and eliminates repetitive tasks. The command feature is particularly useful. It lets me scope changes to a specific page or component, ensuring nothing breaks elsewhere in the app. For instance, if I want to add a new feature or modify an existing one, I can run commands that are specific to that context. This means I can work on the login screen, activate the AI quote generator, and make the Stripe payment page fully functional, all without having to write a single line of code. Imagine being able to watch your app evolve in real time. As I execute these commands, you'll see how quickly Rocket responds, allowing me to build a fully functional app in a fraction of the time it would normally take. This is especially beneficial for startups and indie developers who need to pivot quickly based on user feedback or market demands. One of the standout features of Rocket.new, I can easily switch between web and mobile views, which is essential for ensuring a consistent user experience across devices. This gives me the opportunity to see how the app performs in a real-world scenario, allowing me to assess its usability and functionality firsthand. As I make changes in the visual editor, you'll notice how they reflect in real time. For example, I can adjust the header color, add a new button, or tweak the quote layout, and Rocket updates the code automatically in the background. This seamless integration between design and code is invaluable, as it helps eliminate the disconnect that often occurs in traditional development environments. This is also where Rocket's error detection and autofix functionalities come into play. As we build, Rocket scans the app for potential issues, detects them, and even suggests fixes so that we don't get stuck halfway through our development process. This proactive approach to error management ensures that your app remains robust and user-ready at all times. With Rocket, you have the confidence that you can launch your app without worrying about common pitfalls that often plague new developers. You can focus on what really matters: delivering value to your users. Let's take a moment to explore some of the advanced features available in Rocket.new. For those who want to elevate their app further, these options can provide significant benefits. First, you have the choice to deploy your app on a custom domain directly from Rocket. This means you can fully brand your app without hassle, making it feel more professional and personalized. Then there's the template library, a fantastic free resource that allows you to start faster. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can choose from a variety of templates tailored to different use cases, which can save you both time and effort. Additionally, Rocket includes media management capabilities, enabling you to add logos, images, and mockups effortlessly. You can easily swap out images, ensuring that your app's visuals are always on point. This flexibility is essential, especially in today's fast-paced digital landscape where first impressions matter. You can also create shareable preview links. This feature allows you to send interactive links to clients or testers without any downloads necessary. Imagine being able to gather feedback from stakeholders quickly and efficiently, facilitating a smoother development process. Moreover, you can integrate additional tools like Google Analytics for tracking user interaction, AdSense for monetization, or even advanced AI APIs such as Claude, Gemini, or Perplexity to enhance your app's functionality. Rocket's plug-and-play integrations make the entire process seamless and intuitive, allowing you to focus on innovation rather than integration headaches. To recap what we've covered today with Rocket.new, you can start from a prompt, Figma file, template, or screenshot. You can build web and mobile apps with multiple integrations in just minutes. You own your code and can deploy it anywhere. The commands features allow for precise, no-fluff development. You can scale from MVPs to enterprise-grade applications without any headaches. For developers, designers, and indie hackers, Rocket represents a game-changing approach, enabling faster prototyping, significantly less manual work, and fully functional applications without compromise. You're no longer limited by your technical skills. Instead, you can focus on your creativity and innovation. With Rocket, the sky's the limit, and your ideas can come to life faster than ever before. If you're ready to try Rocket.new for yourself, head over to Rocket.new. It's free to start. You can use it to build your next web app, mobile app, or even a SaaS product. And don't forget to share your builds on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube and tag at Rocket.new. They regularly feature the best apps built using Rocket. That's it for today. You've seen a full application built from scratch, complete with multiple integrations, commands, and real-time previews, all in just a matter of minutes. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and launch your idea today.